America has a race problem, or better put, a racism problem. It's one that's plagued society since her inception.
You know who talks about race? Racists.
White privilege is a ridiculous term.
Rearing its ugly head.
It's super offensive.
You really do have no idea.
If you're white and you don't admit that it's great, you're an asshole.
They're bringing crime.
For equality.
Your administration separated children from their parents.
And liberty.
Kids were ripped from their arms and separated.
Don't pull it up.
And justice for all.
Most Americans have a limited understanding about why race exists and how racism operates. But by understanding it, we can learn how to change it. Racism is a distinctly American ideology, invading our collective mind as a background noise.
Oh God!
It's also intimidation,
My breath! Fuck your breath!
and fear, and ignorance, and hate.
I am one of the 11 million undocumented immigrants.
We've introduced a new course in ethnic studies to ask the hard questions, to analyze historical and social forces, and find clarity amid the noise. This course will help to empower you to become an agent of positive change wherever you are. And we need you. You're part of the solution.